Loves, oh my gosh, I'm so excited dahil for the second time, we're going to Japan! In this video, pupunta rin tayo sa tallest tower in the world, which is the Tokyo Sky Tree. Come with us and have fun watching our October in Japan Day 1. Hi loves, we're on our way to the airport. I am with Darian and his family. Nasa 20 plus kami pero nagkasya kami sa iisang coaster. We arrived early kaya hindi nakakapanik at loves, buti na lang din sakto lang yung timbang ng mga bagahe namin, overpacker pa naman ako. Noong February 2023, which was 8 months ago, my first time in Japan, nagstay kami sa Osaka. This time sa Tokyo naman, I'm super excited. We're also going to Disneyland and Disney Sea, which will be my first time na makakapunta sa Disney Park. May tour din kami to Mount Fuji, papasyal kami sa Team Lab, sa Shibuya Sky, at marami pang iba. By the way, we're flying with Cebu Pacific. Nagland kami by 12 p.m. Sa Narita Airport kami nagland. The airport was so nice, so clean. Alam niyo ba, loves, 28 hours na akong gising. Pero okay lang, hindi ako inaantok kasi naman, loves, nasa Japan tayo. Nauhaw ako, so bumili kami ng random drinks sa vending machine. Coffee yan para mas lalong magising. Nag-rent sila ng service namin kung saan kasya kaming lahat as well as our luggages. Sobrang convenient talaga kapag may service galing sa airport, lalo na't ang daming bagaheng dala. Saka highly recommended din to kapag may kasama kayong babies, bata, senior. By 3:30 p.m., we finally arrived to our Airbnb sa Sumida City. The neighborhood was peaceful. Medyo malayo nga lang yung convenience store. This Family Mart is about 8 to 10 minutes away. Kung ano-ano agad yung kinuha namin kasi ang sarap ng mga convenience store food sa Japan, also the drinks. Then we headed back to our Airbnb to eat, then rest for a while, tapos nag-ayos, nagpalit ng outfit, then we went out by 6 p.m. Pupunta kasi kami sa Tokyo Skytree and then we'll have dinner afterwards. Ang ganda ng location namin dahil 3 stations away lang kami from Tokyo Skytree Station. Alam nyo ba, loves, ito raw yung tallest tower in the world. Well, mas mataas yung Burj Khalifa, but that one is a building, so that is the tallest building in the world. Tapos pumasok na kami to claim our tickets. It was 849 pesos. And oh my gosh, loves, na-amaze ako dahil we were able to go 350 meters or 1,148 feet up the tower just with a single ride dito sa elevator. Nagbara-bara lang yung mga tenga namin. Sobrang amazing because it only took 50 seconds. And wow, just look at this view. Our ticket is for the 350 meters observation deck. Meron pang mas mataas dito. But I think that this is beautiful and high enough. Medyo maraming tao pero umaalis naman sila agad pagka-picture kaya you will easily get your turn. They have this photo area with their official photographer at dahil minsan lang tong experience na to, syempre naman, nabudol kami. Sa tabi ng photo spot, nandun na agad yung claiming area. It was 2,000 yen, so around 750 pesos. Mahal talaga pero go lang kasi eto pa lang yung una namin pinuntahan for this Japan trip. So buo pa yung pocket money namin. Anyway, pwede pa kayo mag-download ng soft copy niyan by scanning the QR code. Maya-maya bumaba kami sa 340 meters dahil nandun daw yung glass floor. So basically, dito kayo pwedeng magmatapang. Kaso nga lang ang daming tao dito kaya ang hirap mag-picture. Buti na lang there's also a photo spot para naman syempre may solo photo kayo with the glass floor. Pero syempre it comes with a price. Grabe yung tapang ni Darren, hindi takot sa heights. There are a lot of stores inside the tower pero hindi na namin nilibot kasi kakain rin kami ng dinner. We dined at this restaurant called Kura, which is a revolving sushi bar restaurant na malapit lang doon sa Tokyo Sky Tree. We waited for about 25 minutes before kami nakaupo. And of course, dahil nasa Japan, digital ang pag-order. Dito nga nakalagay sa parang butas ng table yung mga utensils pati na rin toothpick. O wag kayong manghusga, pero first order namin ay chicken poppers kasi hindi kami kumakain ng sushi. We also had udon. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ko ma-rate. Walang kwenta tong part ng video na to kasi nasa sushi bar, restaurant kami pero hindi ako kumain ng sushi. Share ko na lang yung bill namin. Actually, mahal siya. 1,240 yen. Pero in fairness, maganda talaga yung location kasi paglabas mo ng restaurant, ayan agad yung Tokyo Sky Tree. And then, we headed home kasi kailangan namin ng energy dahil sa Disney Sea kami pupunta tomorrow.